Hello guys, welcome to our offside blog. So guys, today I talking about how to increase your earning from YouTube. This is very easy and simple. Guys, you need to make your one video 8 minutes. Okay, you need to make 8 minutes your one video. Then you need to put middle ads. Okay, so every video maximum 8 minutes more video you can put your middle ads. When you put your middle ads your video, you any viewer watch full video 8 minutes, you can find a maximum of 3 ads. So when find 3 ad, this ad give you revenue. So you can make 5 minute 4 minute video and 7 minute video. Everyone watch full video, maximum find 2 ad or 1 ad. When you make the your video mid roll, this you can find also more ad and you can earn more revenue. Your YouTube earning increase. And guys, what you do, you do make good quality of video and good category. Okay, which one your audience like, you can make this like video. And what you do, when you put the middle of your video, audience watch your video and viewer watch your video, your CPM increase high. When you increase your CPM high, after audience watch, you can earn more money and increase your YouTube earning. You can earn more money and you can increase your YouTube earning. So guys, this is very easy and simple way you can increase your YouTube earning and YouTube revenue easy way. So thanks for watching. I hope you like